Hi, today we're going to show you how to access the BroGate switch through a Java exploit. We're going to demonstrate it on this IBM SaneSwitch 2498. Make sure that your IP is in the same scope as the switch IP. I'll show you how. Ping the switch's IP to make sure that you have a connection. Go to config Java and whitelist the switch's IP. Open command prompt and enter the command. If prompted for certification error, just click accept. Fill in switch credentials. That was all for now. See you next time.